Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Profile determines level of access user can have in the organization. Every profile is designed for a specific license. A profile can be assigned to many users, but a user can be assigned a single profile. Profiles are a group of settings and permissions which define what a user can access in the Salesforce organization. Depending upon the user's job role, Salesforce admin can assign users with a profile that includes all the tabs, records, and page access that they require. A profile can controls application view, object permission, tab permission, field label permission, page layout, record type permission, administrative permission, user access label permissions, security settings, Apex class access, Visual Force page access, login hours, login IP ranges, and many more. Profile types. There are two types of profile, standard profile and custom profile. Standard profile created by Salesforce are called standard profile. Standard profile cannot be deleted. We could customize only. Custom profile. Profile created by user is called custom profile. It can be edited, deleted based on business requirement. Steps to create custom profile: setup, administration, users, profiles, new profile. Step 1, choose existing profile. So mainly we are going to clone a particular profile. Step 2, enter profile name. Step 3, hit save button. So let's see an example. Create a profile by the name System Administrator New. Clone it from existing profile System Administrator. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup. In the administration, expand users, then profiles. Here we are seeing a number of profiles. These profiles are provided by Salesforce, and in the action section where we are seeing only edit and clone, this profile is a standard profile and we can't delete these profiles, and these are the user licenses what this profile is using. So here we are seeing some of the custom profiles. So this is custom profile, the checked one. So this one, just expand and see. So here we are seeing the delete button is also there. So these profiles can be deleted, and these are the custom profiles. But the standard profile, let's see the contract manager profile. We can't delete this profile as a standard profile. If all we need to create a profile, directly we can clone a particular profile. So as per our scenario, we are going to create a clone of system administrator profile. So we can simply scroll or directly clicking with S. We are seeing all the yes by the name S profile. So clone system administrator. Before cloning, just see what system administrator profile holds. So user with this profile have the permissions and page layouts listed below. Administrator can change a user's profile by editing that user's personal information. So, so many details we are seeing. These informations are related to profile. These are holding page layouts. Next is field label security. So all the standard and custom objects we are seeing. Here custom app settings, then service provider access, then tab setting, then record type setting, administrative permissions, general user permissions, standard object permissions, custom object permissions, session setting, password policies, login hours, login IP ranges. So these many settings are provided by a single profile. So we are going to clone this particular profile, system administrator. So simply we need to click on this clone button. You must select an existing profile to clone from. So we had chosen system administrator profile, and this profile is using Salesforce license. File name is system administrator new. You can provide any name as you wish. Click on save button. So our cloned profile is ready here. Like this we are creating profiles. So again clicking on this profile button, and let's see our system administrator new profile. So this one is the standard profile, system administrator. We can't delete this system administrator Salesforce generated profile, but as we had cloned this system administrator new profile from system administrator, so we are seeing the delete button here. As per business requirement we are creating the profiles, and if it's not necessary we can delete as well. So like this we are creating the profiles. Rule specifies who will report to whom and where to stand in the role hierarchy. Roles are defined to increase the data visibility for user. We can delete role, but it should not have any subordinate role. If all we need to delete, then subordinate role should be reassigned to some other role. Role structure can be viewed in following format: tree view, sorted list view, and list view. Role hierarchy. Salesforce role hierarchy allows us to define and manage data visibility. Role hierarchy works together with sharing settings to determine the level of access user have to Salesforce data. Data visibility can be increased using sharing rules or by building role hierarchy. This will specify level of access user will get on the organization data. User can access all the data that is visible to the users below him in the role hierarchy. If two users have same role, then they may or may not have same permission in the organization. Steps to create role: setup, administration, users, roles, add role. Step 1: enter role name. Step 2, select report to role. Step 3, save. Let's see an example. Create a role by the name CEO, Director and Manager. So here Manager is going to report to Director and Director is reporting to CEO. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, under Administration, expand users, then roles. Set up the role hierarchy to control how your organization reports on and access data. Set up roles. So by default we are seeing uh, these many roles are provided by Salesforce, and here we are seeing two buttons, collapse all and expand all. At the right side we are seeing show in tree view, show in sorted list view, show in list view. So we are seeing in the tree view, just click on show in sorted list view, it will look like this, and in the third format show in list view, it will look like this. So just click on show in tree view. Here in our assignment we are going to add under CEO, add role. So under CEO we are going to create a role director. Click on save button. Next role we are going to create under director, manager role. So manager is going to report to director. Click save. So in this hierarchy, uh, manager is going to report to director and director is going to report to CEO. So like this we are creating the role. User is anyone who log into Salesforce. Every user in Salesforce has an account, one license, one profile and one role. Once user is created, we cannot delete them. We can deactivate only. Deactivated user will not be able to log in to his account. License given to user will be released back to organization. Freeze user will not be able to log in to his account. License given to freeze user will still remain to user. For creating new user, mandatory things are license and profile. So steps to create user: setup, administration, users, new user. Step 1, enter user detail. Step 2, choose role. Step 3, choose license. Step 4, choose profile. Step 5, hit save button. Let's see an example. Create user by the name user@network.com. While creating a user, it is mandatory. The username will not be available in the existing environment. Like when we are creating our Gmail account, the username what we are creating, that should not be exist. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit login button. So setup, under administration, expand users, click users, So up to now I had created only this user. To create a new user, click on new user, provide the name. Here I am going to provide the first name would be user, last name is UA, and providing the email. Username would be usera@network.com. Nickname is user A, and at the right side I am just using the rule what we had created in our rule section. So we had created a director role, and user license I am providing Salesforce, and profile also we had created in our profile session, that is system administrator new profile. Local setting is there, means time zone, this is Indian time zone. Local is English, India language is English, only I am the approver. So this point is much important. Generate new password and notify user immediately, means after clicking the save button it is going to generate a new password and sending a mail to the given email address. So for this we have to log in to our Gmail account, or someone who is going to provide their mail account, that may be Gmail, Yahoo, or any domain name. Click on save button. So I had already logged into that Gmail account. Clicking on reload button, yeah, I am able to get welcome to Salesforce, verify your account, and here I am seeing that username is user A @network.com. Click on verify account. So reset the password. It is asking to reset the password. Provide the security question. Click on change password. So I had logged in to this new account. Just click on view profile. See here user A. Like this we are creating a user in Salesforce. Thank you.